Welcome back to Washington's Semi-Hard Enduro. Today we're out searching for the hardest rails we could find because I want to put this new Flywheel weight to the test and give a proper review of it. So I went ahead and installed a 7-ounce Flywheel weight on my 24 TE300. And first of all, I don't know that these bikes necessarily need a Flywheel weight. I went with one because I had a Flywheel weight on my old TBI 300. And it made a noticeable improvement. So I figured, why not give it a try on these new Enduro TBI motors and see if it makes a similar kind of improvement. And short answer is, yeah, it does make a noticeable improvement, but I will say this, it's pretty subtle. It's not a huge difference, and some riders might struggle to notice much of a difference because it is so subtle, but you can tell that it does help with luggability, tractability, and stall resistance on these bikes. The TBI Enduro motors are already pretty good in those three areas, but the Flywheel weight just makes it that little bit better. And you can see on the kind of trails we're riding today, they're dry, but there's a loose layer of like dust and rocks over the top of everything. So precise throttle and clutch control, good tractability, keeping the RPMs low. It's all very important for this kind of technical riding, and a Flywheel weight really just aids in these kinds of conditions. The particular one I went with is made by a brand called NICECNC. They're a Chinese company. They've started making actually quite a few parts for the newer Enduro bikes, so I would check them out. Quality on this particular unit was just fine. This is a simple CNC machined part. It came with 4 set screws, which I actually really like about it. Other brands of Flywheel weights are more of an interference fit, and they can be a real pain in the ass to remove. The ones with set screws, at least you can back out the set screws and remove it if for some reason you want to. Installation was super quick. I'm not going to show it here today because it is just so stupid easy. You remove the left side engine cover, you heat up the Flywheel weight with a torch so that it drops onto the flywheel more easily, and then you just Loctite the 4 set screws before you snug them down, and then you replace the engine cover, and that's it. It literally took me about 4 minutes to install this thing. No joke, it's that easy. So that's it. That's my review for the 7-ounce Flywheel weight for the Enduro TBI bikes. Overall, pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.
Holy crap.
I'm gonna park right here. Can't see a damn thing. Yeah, I need that side hill grip, huh? Wow, nice.
Yeah, Jared, so look down.